Section 5.2, Exercises. 1. Recall the for loop code we looked at in listing 5.3 to print animals in a list. What does this modified code do differently compared to the original example in the chapter? Specifically, what additional output does it produce?
See this code?
2. Consider the following while loop code that seeks to repeat what we did using a for loop in listing 5.3. When we run the code, we notice that it runs indefinitely. Can you identify and fix the error that would cause it to run indefinitely?
See this code?
3. Arrange the following lines of code to create a while loop that prints each number in the list until it encounters the number 7. Be careful about indentation.
See this code?
4. Think of a real-world scenario where a while loop would be more appropriate than a for loop. Describe the scenario and explain why a while loop is the better choice. 5. Modify the getStrongPassword function, or the isStrongPassword function that it calls, to provide specific feedback on why the entered password isn't strong enough. For instance, if the password doesn't have an uppercase character, print password must include an uppercase character. And if it doesn't contain a digit, print password must contain at least one digit. 6. Given the following print quarterbacks function, can you rewrite it to use the with statement to open and close the file? Why is it important to close the file?
See this code?
7. In this exercise, we'll further practice working with the zip file module to create a zip file containing multiple CSV files. Follow these steps to complete the task and answer the questions. A. First, create 3 CSV files in your current directory. NFLOffensivestats.csv. You should already have this file. Actors.csv with the following content. Actor name, age. Anne Hathaway, 40. Daniel Radcliffe, 33. Chores.csv with the following content. Chore, finished? Clean dishes? Yes. Read chapter 6? No. B. Using Copilot. Don't type the code directly as we did in the chapter. Write a Python script that uses the zip file module to add these 3 CSV files to a zip file named my_stuff.zip. C. What are some of the other functions provided by the zip file module that Copilot suggests? How can they be useful?